Solve the following inequations and represent the answer on a number line. So we have 3x is greater than 6. So all we need to do here is divide both sides by 3. And we get x is greater than 2. So just like solving an equation. Now if we have a number line, all I need to do is put 2 on here. Since it's a greater than, we're going to have a blank circle at 2, and then we're going to indicate that it can be any value more than 2. So for example, 3 works there, 3 is greater than 2, 5 works there, 5 is greater than 2. So here we have 2x plus 1 is less than or equal to -7. So think about solving an equation. We take 1 away from both sides and we get 2x is less than or equal to -8. And then I'm going to divide by 2, which gives me x is less than or equal to -4. So if I now draw my number line, I'm just going to put -4 on here. Less than or equal to, so we have a filled in dot at -4, and then any value less will work. So with this one, we've got -3x divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 4. I'm going to start by multiplying by 2, because I've got a divided by 2 on the left-hand side. And that gives me -3x is greater than or equal to 8. I'm now going to divide by -3. So that gives me x on this side, but remember, dividing by a negative is going to reverse the inequality sign. And then I've got 8 over -3. So x is less than or equal to -8/3. So I want to put that on a number line. So we'll put -8/3 here. X is less than or equal to that. So less than or equal to is going to be like that. Now finally, we have 1 minus 2x over 3 is less than 2. Now my first step in solving here is going to be multiplied by 3 because of the divide by 3 over here on the left hand side. So I've got 1 minus 2x is less than 6. I'm then going to subtract 1 from both sides, and that gives me -2x is less than 5. And now I'm going to divide by -2. So that gives me x. It gives me 5 over -2. And I have to reverse the inequality sign because I divided by a negative. So the inequality sign is going to go like that. The crocodile's mouth is facing the other way. And so x is more than -5 over 2. So if we have our number line, I'll put on it -5 on 2. Filled in circle because it's just a greater than, and it's going to go off in this direction.